Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of object with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. For that, first we will draw a circle of 105 mm, then we will draw a circle of 25 mm diameter, then we draw two more circle of 20 mm and 20 mm. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. Go to create a sketch, select this plane, draw a circle of 105 mm. Drawing this one, now we will draw a circle of 25 mm. Press enter. This we will draw circle of here and one more circle of 20 mm here. After this, select this tangent constraint and tangent this and this, like this. In this way we will do. Then choose this trim command and delete all the unwanted edges one by one like this. After this, we will use pattern command. We select circular pattern. We select all these objects, then select the center point and provide here heat. As we can see in this particular image, these are heat and press OK. As you can see, one. We have created such kind of drawing. Now the next is we have to draw a circle of 10 mm. As we can see in this particular drawing, this is 10 mm dia circle. Then press enter. After this, choose circular pattern, select this one, center point, place here. Similarly, repeat is it, and as you can see, we have created such kind of drawing as we have seen in this particular image. After this, we will provide the thickness to this particular profile to 10 mm. For that, is a sketch, go to home position, select this extrude command, select these. After this, select this one and go to create sketch. Now, what we have to do, we will create this portion. For that, we will create a plane. So from here, first we will draw a line from the center at a distance of 20 mm. Then press enter and finish the sketch. From here, we construct a plane along a path in this way, and here we will provide one and press OK. After creating such plane, go to create a sketch, select this plane, and from this drawing we can see we have to create a line of 40 mm. From this line is at 85 mm. So we draw a line of 85 mm. After drawing this line, we will draw one more line at a distance of 25 mm. Then from the drawing we can see it is this one is 10 mm. For that we will draw a line, solid line of 10 mm. Then press enter. Then we will choose an arc, that center point arc, and draw a center point arc of 25 mm radius in this way. Then scrap it and draw 10 mm line again and then scrap. Now we will provide an offset of, as per the drawing, of 7.5 mm. For that we will select this offset command, select this one, provide an offset of -7.5, press enter, and in such a way we have created such kind of profile. After this, what we have to do, finish the sketch, go to home position, extrude this profile up to -40 mm, press enter. Now next is what we have to do, go to create a sketch, select this plane. Here we will draw a circle of 25 mm, a circle of 25 mm here, press enter, then finish the sketch, select this extrude command and then select this profile. From here we have to select extend type to object and select this object and press OK. As you can see, we have created the same object as we have seen in this particular image. Only we have to create these two more holes in this particular object. For that, we select this plane, go to create a sketch, create a circle of 10 mm, then finish the sketch, extrude, and now we can see we have created the same object as we have seen in this particular image. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.